Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero Live. This exciting rhythm game introduces a fresh take on the classic experience. You'll use a redesigned guitar controller featuring 6 buttons arranged in 2 rows of 3. The game offers 2 distinct ways to play: GHTV, which streams music videos, and Live, a simulated concert experience. Getting started is simple. Just pick your mode and prepare to rock out to hundreds of songs. The most significant change in Guitar Hero Live is its innovative guitar controller. Instead of 5 colored buttons in a row, you'll find 6 buttons, 3 black and 3 white. These are positioned in 2 rows, a top row and a bottom row. This unique design aims to provide a more authentic and challenging guitar playing experience, mimicking the feel of playing actual chords rather than just single notes. It's a fresh challenge for veterans and newcomers alike. Guitar Hero Live offers 2 engaging ways to play. In GHTV, you'll jam along to a continuous stream of official music videos, competing against other players globally. Live mode immerses you in a first-person perspective on stage, reacting to a dynamic crowd. To play, simply strum the strum bar while holding down the correct black or white fret buttons. Accumulate hero power to boost your score and clear difficult sections. To truly master Guitar Hero Live, consistent practice is key. Spend time in both GHTV and Live modes to familiarize yourself with various songs and note patterns. Pay close attention to the note highway, anticipating upcoming notes and preparing your fingers. Strategically deploy your hero power during difficult passages to maximize your score and maintain your streak. Start on an easier difficulty and gradually work your way up to expert levels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.